nice refresher for all of you. This is your paddle. This is going to be your steering wheel and your accelerator and your brakes for the day. So it's a nice all-in-one vehicle. You don't want to be pulling too hard with either arm or pushing or punching or anything like that. It's kind of moving with your upper body, dragging the paddle through the water. Nice deep strokes will get you moving faster and longer per paddle movement. If you want to turn, you just paddle on one side forward like this. So the same forward stroke. And then if you want to turn a little bit more sharply, you can also just put the paddle on the side that you want to turn towards in the water and push it a little bit like you're paddling backwards. So forwards on the right side will turn you left, backwards on the left side will also turn you left, and vice versa.
Yeah, they're too slippery, all that stuff. It's smart, yeah. Boost up so you don't have to get too wet.